Hi guys, I haven't made not many video in English because it's so hard. Well, today I'm going to explain about pH. So all skincare and your skin, what the pH is. I bet you guys know already. Some people knows already, but I'm gonna do my best to explain just the basic stuff so you know what you're using right now. Let's go. I'm going to talk about pH. I got the cheat sheet because I know I'm going everywhere. Am I not saying right things? I might make a mistake. So please forgive me. Do not comment for some negative stuff if I made a mistake. But I'll do my best I can to explain some basic. pH is the potential of hydrogen. If I'm talking about it, for body system, your blood and then body fluid is 7.4 pH, which is more like the alkaline side. So there's a level 0 to 14. 7 is the middle. Below 7 it's gonna be acidic. More than 7 is alkaline. So if you have a stress, what you're taking, what your medicine is, how you eat, whatever it is gonna cause your alkaline level goes down to acidic. But body system, which is endocannabinoid system, they are balancing your body system, which is helping make sure your body system is always more alkaline side. If your body always acidic, your body shuts down. Your lung and your kidney working so hard to take all the excess acids out of your body system. So they always turn into alkaline. That's why a lot of studies showing you have to eat alkaline food, you should drink alkaline water, because that it helps all the organs, which is biggest organs. You know what is the biggest organ is in the whole entire body? It's the skin. So skin has that balancing system. So our skin has acid mantle, which is they balance in your skin pH. So skin pH is a little less than 7, which is normal skin pH. It's around the 4.7-ish, 4.5 to maybe 5.5. So between that, it's a normal skin pH. I'm gonna tell you this because if you're using anything, you feel squeaky feeling after you do cleanse your face, that is more like alkaline. All the bar soap and the soap, which makes your body squeaky, it's alkaline side, which is number 9. It's way more. So yours is a 4.5 or 5, and using 9, it makes your skin trouble, which is dry your skin out. All the natural moisturized factor is gone. You feel refreshed because it's squeaky clean, but it's not good. Which is, I don't want to say the brand on this video, but there is a soap. So many people using it. That is a super alkaline, which is not good for your skin. If your acidic and the acid mantle is like, gauging, using the soap, turn it to 9, and then try to go back to your normal, which is 4.5 or 5. It is such a pain in the butt for skin, which is true. Well, you can use your skincare to try to make it back to normal, or you can take the probiotic to help. What do you say? It's a balancing your acid mantle. That helps too. But most important things is you shouldn't use it. You should use something between, lowest is a 3.5, which is like a peel, chemical peel or exfoliation, to max is like a 7 or 8. I don't like to go 8, but if you really like that squeaky feeling, that far you can go. If you're using the high alkaline skincare, which is you get dryness, dehydrate, but lower pH, which is good for your skin, but same time, the extra oils and the dirt doesn't come out. So that's the hardest part. But that's the help, like chemical peel, exfoliation is gonna be help. Because most peeling is like a 3.5 or 4.5-ish. So that helps peeling your skin and soften your sebum and then come out. But if once in a while, if you want to use a little alkaline, that's fine. Use the second wash more close to your pH level. That helps. So you can use the two different kinds. Most important part is you have to make sure your pH balance is always around the 4 to 5. 5.5 is max. So that's the best part. And then I had a video how to make home mask, like a DIY. So yogurt is like a 4.5 or 4.7. So which is good for your skin. Peeling, taking the dead skin cells off, and smoothing your skin, but same time your pH level is stay there. It doesn't go too much down, not going up. So it helps. If I check a lot of homemade DIY masks, that makes me scared sometimes, because some people say they're using the lemon, fresh squeezed lemon, put on their skin. You can't do that. Lemon is a pH level 2, which is 2 acidic, which is make your skin big trouble. Some people okay with it. Some people has a strong skin type, then you can use it. But overall, your acid mantle is like gauging like this. It's just not good for your skin. And then once you're aging, this acid mantle is not working well. It's like a body. It's like weaken and weaken. Make sure your pH level is not overreacted all the time. That's what I recommend. How to choose your skincare is the most important part. Whatever you have, you can check with the testing kit. But if you don't have it, just let me know if you want me to check. I'll check as much as I can and then let you know which one is better for you. But at the same time, you should know what your pH level, because that makes your skin trouble. That's why you have to choose your skincare correctly. Please let us know. Let me know. There's an online counseling if you need hormone level. If you want me to check every single thing, I can do it for you. But same time, I don't recommend it to use a lot of leave it on peels or exfoliation, the mask. Only just the 20 minutes mask and stuff, that's fine. But leave it on your skin for overnight, it makes your skin pH unbalanced too. So you really have to be careful what you're using on your skin. It's a little short video, but I hope you learn a little bit about the pH. If you have any question, we have a description below. You can send us email or DM me on Instagram. Thank you for watching.